Hi, I'm Shar, and I'm a certified personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, and you're watching Y2V's Food and Fitness Friday. Does it seem like the older you get, the harder it is to lose or even maintain your weight? Does it seem even harder now that you live in a small space like an RV? Well, you're not alone, and I'm going to share with you why this is the case and what you can do about it. So why is it the older we are, the harder it is to get and stay in shape? Typically, it's because over the age of 30, we become less and less active. As a matter of fact, the average adult over the age of 30 loses 5 pounds of muscle every 10 years. Now, this is really important because the more muscle we have, the higher our resting metabolism is. The higher our resting metabolism is, the more fat we burn or the more calories we burn, even doing regular daily things like breathing. This is because muscle tissue is constantly active in order to maintain and grow muscle proteins. Even during sleep, resting skeletal muscles are responsible for more than 25% of the body's calorie use. When less energy is required for daily metabolic function, calories that were used for muscle tissue are now stored as fat. And by the way, technology is not helping us be more active. It's making us less and less active every single day. We don't even have to go to the grocery store anymore. We order our groceries online, they show up at our door. Or you order them online, you drive your car to the grocery store so that someone else can walk out to your car and load them up in your trunk. Well, that's keeping us sedentary. That is not helping us stay and get healthy. So what can you do? Well, I don't want to be on the cover of a magazine. I'm not looking to become a bodybuilder. The reason I want to stay healthy, that I want to be more mobile, is so that I can have a better quality of life. I want to walk in and out of my RV comfortably. I want to walk up some stairs and not get winded. I want to be able to crawl on the floor with my grandkids and not wonder how I'm going to get back up. Those are the things that are important and are going to improve your quality of life, but you have to take a little bit of action in order to do it. Now, like I said, I don't go to the gym. I don't lift weights. Every single thing I do is body weight only. I do it right inside my RV or right outside with nothing more than a mat. So now you know why we're a little bit more stationary and why it's harder and harder for us to lose or maintain our weight. Let's talk about what we can do about it. All right, you've heard me say this before. Walking is one of the single most important things that you can do. It raises that heart rate, helps you burn fat, and it's going to help you remain mobile, to stay mobile and active as long as humanly possible. But what can you do beyond walking? Well, like I said, I do nothing at the gym. I do nothing with weights. A couple of things that you can do is body weight squats, otherwise known as air squats. You can do them right in your living room. You can do them right next to your bed. As a matter of fact, when you're sitting around watching a TV show, how about stand up and do some air squats? But you might be thinking, Shar, I'm not mobile enough. I can't do that. I don't have good enough knees. Well, having those stronger muscles is going to help all those joints. So what you can do is hold on to a counter or a chair and do your air squats until you've built up enough strength to be able to do them on your own. You can do lunges. You can do standing lunges or walking lunges. I regularly am seen doing lunges up and down the center aisle of my RV. It's not as hard as it sounds. You can go outside and do lunges along the length of your RV. You can do push-ups. Do them from your toes. If your toes is too hard, do them from your knees. If your knees are too hard, you can do it off of a counter or a picnic table. You can do these things in or outside of your RV at the drop of a hat. Now you may be thinking, I cannot do any sort of a squat. I can't do any bit of a lunge. Well, what you want to do is start to activate those muscles so you can build them over time. Again, you're not trying to get big and bulky. You just want to strengthen what you already had. If you're standing at the kitchen counter making dinner, do some leg lifts. You can do them forward, sideways, and backwards. That is going to be working those muscles and making those muscles get stronger. And the stronger your muscles are, the better your joints are going to be. Now, you probably know you have to keep challenging your muscles in order to keep them strong. So what if you're at a point in your life where you are actually ready to start increasing it? Just doing body weight stuff isn't working anymore. Well, here's a couple of things that's probably right in your kitchen or right in your RV that will help you increase those muscles. Cans and bands. You may think I'm kidding, but I'm not. These little 15-ounce curls can make a big difference. Do these exercises for a couple of minutes on each one, and let me tell you, your arms are going to be burning and you're going to know you're utilizing those muscles. What about a band? Bands are great. Okay, you can do this sitting in the front seat of an RV while you're driving down the road. You can do chest, you can do all kinds of stuff, triceps. These are great and they don't take up any space. And again, I don't even use these. I just do body weight stuff. Now, if you're still thinking that these exercises are too intense and you're just not quite ready for them, try something called isometrics. It's basically just tightening your muscles. So when you're sitting in a chair, squeeze your butt. Just keep squeezing your butt. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. You can do it in a car driving down the road. It's super simple.
That's a clean pickup right there.
Same thing with your abs. You can tighten and release. Tighten and release, and do that 10 times every couple of minutes, and you're going to start utilizing those muscles and be stronger in no time. So that's it for this Food and Fitness Friday. Hopefully you got a few tips on how you can start utilizing your muscles, growing them and making them stronger so that you can have a better quality of life. If you like this video, give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. See you next week.